For me, the objects that I study are one type of artifact. They're one kind of specialized thing that these peoples made that served various functions for them. They conveyed various messages that were important for people to understand.
The most recent work he did with a graduate student in collaboration, Mary Catherine Scott, who had come to study with him and particularly was interested in doing Maya tourist art. So they brought together artists from the Yucatan. They put on a wonderful exhibit for the students, which had not just an impact on the students, but the whole northern part of Illinois.
Studying the way that ancient architecture and or some of the visual imagery that adorns or is associated with that architecture helps us to understand the role of buildings and visual culture, both art and advertising, in our own world as a kind of a parallel case.
He gets his graduate students out into the field in Mexico. He has them in the Maya ruins. He has them doing archaeological digs with him. At the graduate level, and then even at the undergraduate level, he is just intent on conveying that research. He has practically rewritten a textbook for our general education students.
Dr. Kowalski has a passion for pre-Columbian art that's just contagious. So he pretty much inspires all of us, all his grad students and undergrads to kind of move beyond just the basics and dig into our personal interests within the field.
I think it's very important that students get an idea, whether they're studying ancient society and its art, architecture, or visual culture, or contemporary society and the multiple types of visual images that communicate these messages to us today, that the exact meanings have changed, but the basic process and sort of these broader social and cultural functions remain quite similar.